About to get underway inside the Smart Araneta Coliseum. It is going to be Ivan Johnson jumping it up against Wayne Chisholm. Ever critical encounter to, lalong-lalo na syempre para sa Elasto Painters as they look to force sudden death come Wednesday. First quarter na to, atid sa atin ang Botolite for extra
playtime, largely because yung nagagawa niya on the defensive end.
Teo Campo puts one up. Gets the bounce. Three-point shot yan. Atid sa inyo ng PX will look to set this one up. Johnson sinusukat si Chisholm. Nagpakawala ng tres. 6-0 na nasa ating dalaan. Another 3-point.
Too many turnovers means too many empty possessions on offense for the white shirts.
Castro looking to slice through the pull-up jumper. Lock and Tex. The tropang Texers. Luan over to Almazan. Way away from his comfort zone. Aranya unleashes one. Pasok yan and Raiders shine has finally.
Jeff Chan is questionable. He has not played in at least 2 games in the finals at tatlo na bang hindi niya nalaro. Wow, dalawa.
In games 2 and 3. In games 2 and 3, you could see that there were times that he was cutting to the basket pero with no real purpose of wanting to get that ball.
Haban is on the floor, grimacing in pain, humihingi na.
He's matured so much as a point guard, not just in scoring but decision-making niya ever since binigay sa kanya ni Jimmy Alapag ang #1 position dito sa Tokentex.
Batak na batak.
Pero mula sa tropa, 8-2. Counter-attack naman ang pinakita netong Rainer Shine. Ibanez to Almazan, hesitates and delivers. Tabla na ang ating labanan. Sabi siya si Harvey Gary, binalik nung pumasok si Paulie. Oh. Coach Jong has liked that matchup. Almazan inside, sneaks one through. What a run by Rainer Shine. Continues to pour it on. Chisholm to Almazan. Napitawan lang. Balik ulit kay Almazan. He gets the basket. Ang tingkabang pa.
Those points to relieve some pressure from the starters o yung mga nakakakuha ng mabibigat na minuto.
Chris Chu, pinasok na rin ni Coach Cheng pero no problem naman para kay RDO.
Pero maging magaling na matagal, yan si Ranedel de Ocampo. Saksakan ng galing.
Lee for 3. Couldn't get the... Oh! Raymond Almazan!
7 points, big turnaround for the Elasto Painters. At mabigat yung starting unit dito para dito sa white shirts.
Ranedel lights it up. He's got a total... Washington, ipinasok na ni Coach Jong. Alas. Pupunta kay Fonacher. Carry is open on the other corner, but Jay Wash elects to take it himself. He buries that.
Dun sa defense and then finding Jay Wash on the corner wide open.
Lee on the move. Yeah, but kid Chisholm, he lines this one up and punches it through.
5 in the...
Ang ating under-23 women's volleyball team na makiki-compete this coming May 1 tonight para sa Asian Volleyball Conference. How excited are you guys and are you ready?
Jeff to slightly favor yung kanyang left leg but you have to give it to him because he is willing to play through the pain and just like that, naka 2 points na. You know, when somebody's usually kapag injured ka, you'll settle for the jump shot but not for Jeff Chan.
Ito mo, hirap na hirap siyang bumaba. Oh. You can't give that up if you're pleased. Harap ka niya because he's so strong. May tira sa labas. Galing mag-breakdown ng depensa.
Chan for 3. Bang!
30th player among dito sa ating kasaysayan ng PBA na nakarating dyan sa estado na yan.
Jason Castro gustong humabol.
Ano ba ka? May kasama pang foul.
Harvey Gary mula sa kanto. The shotgun rattles home.
You know, if you look at the top,
Jay Wash nakabalik sa rotation.
Castro na naman. Not that time around. Washington puts it up. Harvey Gary sends it home. Always had a big on Paul Lee in the last couple of games. Castro with a swipe. Chu giving chase. Castro all the way.
Marami sila.
Watch Pacquiao versus Mayweather for free when you upgrade to a PLDT Home Telpad. Upgrade now at pldthome.com. Sa linggo once again. And that gives Tokentex back the lead, 34-33. Chu to Kinyahan. Nice fake. He gets that basket. Like kahuban pang foul. Castro on the attack. Paul Lee trying to keep in step. Chan catches him on the switch. Pupunta kay Carey.
there's that change.
Then yung talbog niya non-stop, kaliwa kanan, patras, paabante, pagilid.
Lee. Mula sa labas. Finally. Norwood Mentangan. He's got Fonacher in front of him. against Norwood. Duquinyahan, pump fakes the three, looking to inch closer. Layup is good.
Kinyan making full use.
Try. Ay!
Uy,
Muntik pang hindi magkaamuyan si Kinyan at si Lee. Nice pass. Cruz to Chisholm. Lalagay na lang sa ring niya.
parang na
Has been the largest it has been. Johnson to RDO. They swing it to Alas. Down the middle. Flip shot is good. Leaving his feet with nowhere to go. Rainer Shine 3-on-2. Lee for 3.
oh.
De Ocampo got the drop on Almazan. His pass taken away by Lee. Fonacher giving chase. Paul Lee suspending himself in midair for his 11th point. Kasama natin, ano? Si Miss Mara Aquino para sa money ball. At the half as another 3 is buried.
Second quarter, these are the guys that really...
Oops. Walang napasahan doon. Washington to Rosser. Binalik pa kay Washington. That looked good. In quarter to cut this deficit to 12.
Well, definitely huge for Talketex to be able to cut down that lead without necessarily trying too hard. And this is the start that you want for...
Pag may kuryente, pag nadikit eh, no?
Castro may tangan ng bola, looking to explode to the basket. Ranidel lines it up and sends that three-pointer home. He throw down the lane. Puta tayo naman kay Chisholm. Lee pushing it. Down the middle, Paul Lee all the way!
Excellent push of the basket of that Jason Castro penetration.
1 point in the first quarter lang, 13 in total na para dito sa lethal weapon. Fonacher rattles this one home.
Hindi ko nakikita yung ganun ngayon ah.
Ano,
Mixing the paint.
Oo.
2 for 3. Bang!
Rainer.
Now De Ocampo switches over. Chisholm thought about the 3, drives closer, spinning into the lane. Wayne Chisholm delivers the goods.
High percentage move.
Williams had a hand on it. Talketex with another crack at the basket. Jay Wash wide open all night long.
Usually when...
Game and in case makaisa sila dito, ngayong darating na Miyerkules po ang Game 7 sudden death alas 7 ng gabi dito rin sa Big Dome. Jerry
Earlier coming from the first-year player. Only 10 points so far in the quarter para sa Rainer Shine.
Lee with a swipe to Almazan. Rock and roll with a finger roll.
RB Carey at nakaupo itong si Jason Castro. Itong mga relievers need to play big to be able to try and trim down this gap. Pagdating naman dito sa Rainer Shine, they have to apply more.
Chris Chu. Oh! Rock and roll once again, looking to blow the roof off of the Big Dome.
16 big points for Raymond Almazan, and this made that 18 huge points for Almazan and this former NCAA MVP, helping out the cause of their last two papers.
Takes it away. Jericho Cruz asking for it. He puts his head down. Gets that basket. Nikasama Magpao. Here comes Chu. Almazan asking for it. Jericho puts it on the floor. Back to Chu. Short step. It's good.
Not much outside.
Bagya. Cruz closes out. Doubler. Using that crossover. Drops it off to Carey. And he delivers the goods.
That to the last 2-point conversion.
Louis Luan has Washington in front of him. They go cross court to Chan.
Rejected.
Unbelievable performance. May mahigit isang minuto pa natitira sa ating third quarter. De Ocampo gustong bumawi. Nakuha ka!
Wala nga problema, hindi maka-play.
Belga, Cruz, Chan, at etong si Kinyahan. Canuelas Rosser from the outside, and he delivers those 2 points. Ang the last 2 painters. Jericho Cruz bounces into Kinyahan. Goaltending yun.
At the F.
Sa tatanggap, 2 to shoot. Airball yan. Norwood, now na si Belga. Nandun din si Cruz. Jericho will finish in a flurry.
Almazan, Jericho.
Castro using that high pick from Washington. Babalik niya kay Jay Wash for a long 3. Jay Wash lights it up. At it's atin ang PLDD. Johnson working against Norwood. Gusto rin makipagkaldagan dito. Tutulong si Chisholm. Sobra, carry, put back is good.
Still only delivered the last 2 games.
13 points in the game para kay Harvey Carey. Norwood from deep. Punches it through!
First basket in the game for
Tumobra pa yung layup niya doon. 2-on-1 the other way. Make that a 3-on-1. Chu puts it up and in.
this is where the question of
De Ocampo takes it away from Almazan, but there is Chris Chu.
Talk about
Lee
desire.
unleashes it. Chisholm cleans it up, and Rainer Shine is pleading for that leather, but Norwood is fronting him. Johnson against Stu. Washington inside, puts it up and sends it home.
excellent big side cut.
Launches it. Couldn't get the bounce. Norwood taps it over to Chu. Nauna si rock and roll. Almazan will slam it home.
Excellent leak out. Bilis talaga ni Tablo.
Castro tatanggap. Less than 3 minutes now remaining here. Jason Castro lights it up from deep. And that'll bring them. Will there be a Game 7 sa Miyerkules dito rin sa Big Dome? Or can Talkendex make up the difference? Castro putting on the moves.
Unbelievable.
This is a
Shine. They still want a bit more breathing room. An insurance basket here. Elbow jumper. Game Norwood delivers.
Time score. Games.
Talkendex has 45.7 seconds to try and make up these 9 points. Ponasher, titira ng 3. Pasok yun. Still Chisholm. Oh, careless pass. Castro to Ponasher. Gets the bounce.
50-point mark doon sa ating unang half at hindi na napigilan ng Talkendex itong pagragasa ng Rain or Shine to tie the series once again at 3 games apiece.
So ngayong darating na Miyerkules alas 7 ng gabi dito rin sa loob ng Smart Araneta Coliseum, 101-93 is our final score.